how to create the online store as I need knowledge about coding or anything like that, because most of the stuff on your upcoming e-store called Influx Plus, and here we have some of the themes that you can choose from, but there's more to choose from as well. And even if you shouldn't find a theme that looks exactly how you want it to look, then you can choose one design and edit it and tweak it to look however you want it to look. So let's now get into how easy it is to create an online store with this platform. Let's say that we want to use the jewelry shop. Then we click on the red button, choose design. Here's the design I choose. If you should change your mind about the design and want to choose another design, then just click on the arrow on top here at the menu to another design for your store. And everything on this page can be changed into however you want it to look. You can add your own images if you don't feel. And here's a menu as well. Buttons are already, and the buttons to get more information and so on. And anything you want to remove, you can easily remove it and edit this site through easy to use. And you can easily add WooCommerce to your site. And if you want to use Shopify instead, you can add that as well. There's tutorials on everything. And when you have decided you want to use the theme, this website, just click the blue button here up to the right, create this website. Next step is that you choose your package. You can pay monthly, quarterly, or yearly. You can get started for as low as $6.95 a month. And you see though every package, for instance this starter package, you get a 14-day free trial. Next package is Entrepreneur, then you pay $49 a month. And the biggest package with most features and value is called the Pro package, and then you pay $97 a month. You can visit this page as you go to see which package you want to choose. Going in on, then just click on the blue button, select plan. Is that you need to enter a site name, what you want to be calling your site. And here's the URL for your site. Just put in a name you want for your URL, but do not enter influxentrepreneur.com because that will be added automatically when you click this continue button. And when you click this button to continue to the next step, you get instantly support where you can manage everything on your site and so on. And you will also get a email from Influx Entrepreneur with your details and information and so on. So like I said, there's tutorial on everything on this site. Are you ready to get started? Easily create your first e-commerce store, online store. If so, click the link below, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.